My people, I have seen a video that represents what is in my mind. This clip is dey funny, but very informative. Since you no get another way where we go take pass information give our youths, this skit wey dem dey do follow this situation where we dey, na im fit this condition. I go beg you, may you share this video, may you share am, give our beloved ones. E don reach where we go talk, no be say only dey sit down inside your house dey talk. Make you say the thing wey you go fit share, write message, share and give others, because if we eventually enter inside this wahala, everybody go know say khaki no be leather. Watch.
ECOWAS Special Forces.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
We are going into Niger.
Yeah.
We are going there to restore democracy.
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 We do not care if the Russian Wagner group is there. We are attacking the Russians.
We do not care if no.
I said we do not care if the Russians are in Niger.
Sorry. Which Russia?
The Russia you know, the Wagner group. We are going.
Sir, which Russia?
The Putin Russia. Let's go.
Why would they put that one inside now?
I go Russia. Yeah, you want me? No, I'll just stand this.
Russia, we are coming for you. Wait, I'll take charge.
You go explain because no evidence.
I know they for rubbish. What this one they do? Russia. They use clear eye fight Russia.
For Russia. For Russia.
They like now Nigeria you come from.
I be Benin boy.
Who they go as a Yoruba abuse?
Straight out of Benin.
You see what I'm saying? You see am for yourself. So the other one na Benin, the other one na Yoruba. It remain, we are missing the Igbo people. Kain motif. Make we be careful. Make we no just be because it's opportunity to grab one or two posts. You can't let your brother go die for nothing. For what? These are the people way under that then keep us this way where we dey. Where they drag our Biafra. Now them we hold us. Now these people where they force us into war. Make we see what comment people say. You see, why is this video not going viral? This video is very informative for me. Yeah. This one say no be na clear eye they take fight Russia. So we need to so that straight out of Benin part got me on guard. So you know go explain go explain tire evidence. Huh? Benin army no get time for nonsense. So funny. You see that Benin boy and Yoruba boy make una better go back to duty. I go rush wahala. The two guys don't japa Otilo. I thought it Philippians Russians. Even in trouble, Africans find a way to put smile on their face. Now, that is what I was saying. We go always make fun of everything, you know. So that is our nature. God is so kind. Why will they put that one inside now? Why will they put that one inside now? You go explain tire. Waiting concern Putin. Straight from Benin. Everything on a take they play. Nah, so nah. come and me too here in Kenya. So Nigeria never disappoints. So it is a nice one. Honestly, we can't kill ourselves. We just have to make fun from this whole situation. Make money from inside. If you want to the live vlog or make skit, make put, but pass your message. Make we just leave this way for way that they do their thing. And me, I believe in prayer, because now God will help us. Because it seems even if when we don't want to go fight, they go carry the fight come our place. They won't use our backyard do battle field. Make we no just put ourselves for trouble. our president would be even worse than Zelensky. We will talk say Zelensky dey craze, but our own na another puppet where worse past Zelensky. May God see us through. Amen.